Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create your own avatar on Facebook. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So to create an avatar, I would suggest you go to Messenger, which is connected to your Facebook account, and then click on the menu icon at the bottom right, and then click on Settings, and then click on Avatar, and then click on the option to edit avatar. So on this page, it will ask you either to create the avatar from your selfie, or you can create manually. For this video, I would create manually my avatar. So it will ask you to get started with the skin tone. I would choose a brownish skin tone for this video, and then click on next. And then for the hairstyle, I would choose this hairstyle, and maybe this color, and then click next. And then maybe I would choose the face shape with a jawline, and then you can also adjust the width of the face, the jaw size, and the chin size. Once you are happy with the adjustment, you can click next. And then this will ask you the body type. Let's say I want to have like a fit body type. I would click on this. If you are a feminine, you can click on the body type for the feminine. And then you can also adjust like the shoulder size, the bust size, the waist size. And once you are happy, you can save and continue. It will take a while to save the avatar, and then you can also give it the clothing or the makeup. And yeah, this tool in Messenger is very intuitively helpful, because it's allow other people on Facebook to see what you really look like, and which allow a better interaction on the internet. And if you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.